Yeah.
See you later.
Yeah. Bye.
I'm done. I don't like my nails. No.
There is event. You wanna try? Let's go. My stomach is not good right now. I wanna take the poo.
I wanna pee, not poo.
You first?
Yeah. Because I'm just going to pee.
Okay. Lady first. Gordon Ramsay.
You're not open yet.
Yeah, but we can take out the burger.
You cannot cook.
Hey, babe, kick. It's coming up. Oh,
Don't pressure me.
my stomach pressure you, not me. Ugh, babe, please. Ugh. Hey, I cannot hear you.
What did you do? My stomach is not good. Did you feed me ratatouille?
I didn't put the ratatouille in our food.
Why my stomach is not good?
What are you talking about?
Stomach is upset.
So you blame me?
You just beat me last night. Babe, I'm hungry.
What?
I'm hungry.
You're gonna blame me.
I'm
again.
losing my calorie. What? I'm hungry.
Okay, just bring the instant rice.
I
will
don't
cook
want
for
like
you.
the rice. I want meat also.
Meat?
Mm.
What do you wanna add?
I told you I just want rice and then meat.
Just bring that. I will make you kimchi
And
fried
can you
rice.
also cook me like one slice of cooked spam?
Yeah.
Okay, give me my card.
Okay, I will. Here is our food.
I'm so excited.
Yeah. So good, right? Oh, dude, you're so good. Whoa, what a Korean women here. I gotta go to cooking class when I back to Korea, right? What are you doing?
Watching our dance video.
Yeah, then why are you crying right now? Why are you crying?
Why did you stop it?
Crying for
Yeah, I'm just
you made the video very well. That is the reason. Can you stop that for copyright, please? Don't cry. We can make more good things for the future.
I'm just happy watching that because I'm so happy like dancing with you like
You know that, and then it could be my content. Don't cry, Bob.
I'm not sad. I'm just happy because of you.
Yeah. Today we promise like spend time like ordinary day.
I mean, after tomorrow, I'm gonna wake up without those things again.
Yeah.
I just appreciate all the things you did for me.
Yeah. It sounds like weird, but I'm happy with you crying right now.
You're laughing at me.
No, I just make the smile, not laughing. It's different.
Thoughts coming into my mind, but I don't know how to put into words.
Then can I take shower first? I'm so hot.
Yeah.
Can you crying later? Can you crying later?
No.
Wow, finally we packed luggage right now. Right now I just feel it's last time, last day. Right. So sad. I need to do that though.
Do what?
Pack my bags.
Yeah, do it while I'm working.
Okay. It's our last laundry. Then also we use everything.
You told me just to
Yeah.
bring the. Which one do you like? The wash and dry?
Yeah, the one. Go. And I need to pack my bag. Ooh. I think I need to. What should I do first?
Pack your things.
Close this.
Yeah.
Okay. Put it on there. I just put my last socks and underwear here. Why are you looking at me like that?
So you're packing your things.
Yeah.
Should I just. I don't have energy to pack. Help me. You saw me.
Oh, it's big problem.
I can because I went to the toilet a lot.
I didn't wear that. I didn't expect. It's like hot. But right now I'm used to be here. I'm very strong at hot weather. When you're almost done it. No bad. And my shoes too. How to?
Like this.
Oh, you are so genius. Thanks.
Yeah.
Yeah, almost done, almost. This one, I will take it when we go to have dinner. Then this one for the tomorrow, last day. I packed my YouTube stuff here. Yeah, I like this. Hey Bob, our room is empty, feels like. Right?
My shoes are so white. I mean,
Oh, you're wearing that. It's so good. It's so good. It's the last time
last night.
and last dinner. Yeah.
This is listed, Madam and Sir, for walk-in slot for 10 p.m. And since we have online reservations, we will accommodate them first. So possible to wait around 30 minutes, more or less, after 10 p.m. You can come back later.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
And then
We have to wait 1 hour.
take that restaurant finally. I'm just curious about it. Every day people wait like that. Too many
Because
people.
they're for our island trip. Like that?
I love that. Yeah, and think about it, it's like quite handsome. Here. Are you tired already?
I'm tired, yeah. We've been walking around and it's already 10 p.m.
Are you excited?
Yeah. I showed you that.
Wow. This one is too small. Cool, right?
Are you happy with that?
Okay. How's your food?
Good.
Good?
So cool.
Right?
Yeah, I couldn't eat like 3 patties. You ate 5 patties, right?
No, 4.5.
Whatever, it's 5.
You make me pig.
Yeah, I can't eat all that. It's so heavy.
Is it last time to open the door? Oh, we back.
Let's not forget to turn off everything before we leave.
Okay. So kind. Thanks.
Too much to be used and discarded. All I ever wanted was to be.
I have to post that, right? For you. Never you